Welcome. If you're looking to update your Instagram close friends list from your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest method to remove people from your close friends on the Instagram app for desktop. Whether you're tidying up your list or just want more privacy, this process is quick and simple. First, make sure you're logged into your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Go ahead and click on that. A new menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your Instagram preferences. Scroll through the options until you find Close Friends. Click to enter that section. Now, you'll see a list of everyone currently on your close friends list. To remove someone, simply scroll through the list and find the person you want to take off. Next to their name, you'll see a button or a check mark indicating they're on your close friends list. Click on it, and they'll be instantly removed from the list. You can repeat this process for as many people as you'd like. Once you're finished, there's no need to save. Your changes are updated automatically. The people you remove won't be notified, so you can adjust your list as often as you need without worrying about awkward conversations. And that's it. You've successfully managed your close friends list on Instagram using your PC. Keeping your close friends list up to date ensures that only the people you trust the most see your private stories and updates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials on managing your social media accounts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.